Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. You are welcome. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create a table in the PHPMyAdmin. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can the three methods of creating database. So same things apply to the table too. So the first thing you have to do is click on select the database you want to create a table for. So here I'm selecting the test DB database. After that, then you can type in the name of your table here, then followed by the number of columns, or you click on this SQL to type in your statement. Or for the sake of this lesson, I'm going to use the console. So click on console. So this is the statement to create a table. Let me zoom in. So it said create table if not exist. If not exist. So this is the table name test TBL in parentheses. So I have four variables here, which is called the column name or the field name. So the first one is the ID, the second one is the name, and then the third one is the gender, while the fourth one is the DOB, date of birth, followed by the data type. The ID is of int and size 11 character, which says not null. Then I assign an auto increment. This auto increment is that when we input a record, it will automatically increment by 1 in an ascending order. And primary key, so the name here is varchar, variable character of size 115, then as the size, so set it to not null. And same thing with the gender too, the size is 50, the data type is variable character, then not null. So the date of birth, the data type is date, then not null. Then at the end of your statement, you type in your semicolon. On your keyboard, you press as you can see here, it says press Ctrl plus the Enter key to execute the query. So on the keyboard, Ctrl with the Enter key. Let me zoom out. So the query was successful. So let's click on the test DB. So as you can see, we have the test table. Click on it. The structure. So as you can see, we have all our columns name, the ID, name, gender, and date of birth, DOB. So we have created the table. So how do we delete or debug the table? So we type in the statement. So to delete the table or to debug the table, we type in the debug table followed by the table name. So the table name we just created, which is the test table. On your keyboard, Ctrl with the Enter key. Let me zoom out. So on your keyboard, Ctrl with the Enter key. So here it says, do you really want to execute debug table test table TBL? You click OK. So reload the page. So as you can see, the table has been dropped, it has been deleted. So that's how you delete a table. So I see you in the next lesson. Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. You are welcome. So in the last lesson, I showed you how to build a PHP script to create a database which is usable. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a table. So in the database file, I'm going to create a function called create table. This is going to take two arguments. So the create table takes in two arguments: the database function and the table name. So here I say if the database function returns false, so the create table will return false. So as dot code here will be executed. So in the create table database, I'm going to change this echo to return true. Then I will need to copy some variable. So here I have our connection parameter, and the connection to the database, MySQL server, and to the SQL server. This semicolon, this terminate the SQL statement, while the last one here terminate this variable. So within this parenthesis, we are to insert our column table. So here we have an ID of an integer size 11, not enough, auto increment. Then we assign the primary key as equal to it. Then we have our username of variable of Barca, which is of size 150, and the password to our former hands here. This is still good. So here we have our statement, SQL statement, which says create table. So we have 3 columns. Then we have our query here, which takes in 2 arguments: the connection argument and the statement, SQL statement. Then here we check if the query runs successfully, then should echo the table name created successfully, or else echo out the SQL error. So let's test. Let's check our database. So we have the user database here. So it's empty tables. So mind you, from the database here, from the create table, it takes two arguments. The database functions and the table name. So we have to call the function here. So here we declare the create table function, which takes in the first argument as the create database first, so that it will select the database. Then we have the login table, which is the table name. So let's execute the script. So we have login table. We have table login table created successfully. So let's check our table database. Reload. So as you can see, we have the login table, ID, username, and the password. So let's create another table. So let me change this to logout table. Run the script again. It's a table logout created successfully. So let's check. Reload. So we have two tables, logout and login. So that's how you create a table. So how do we develop this table, or how do we delete the table? So I'm going to show you now. So from the logout, from the database file, we're going to create a function to execute our drop table. So let me copy this. So I'm going to paste in the code. So we say develop table. Look at the table name. This is the table parameter. Take it from function. So here we have the function, which takes in the statement, query, and checks if the query runs successfully. Should echo the table name over the data successfully. So let's go back to the index. Let me comment this out and call the function drop table. The argument table name. So I'm going to delete this logout. So as you can see, we have the logout table name. So if I call in the function here, I intentionally type this. So I want you to see the error message. You can see it says error. So this error, here it is. This error, here it is here. Then the MySQLite error is this unknown table logout.tb. So as you can see, the table we created is logout_tbl. So all you have to do now is go back to your function, where you call your function, and change it back to underscore. log out table. Then run the script again. So it says logout TBL deleted successfully. So let's check our database. Refresh. So as you can see, we don't have logout again. So if you want to delete the login table too, all you have to do is change in type in the login dot the underscore TBL, then close delete my screen, then run the script. Login table deleted successfully. So let's check our database. So we didn't have any table again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.